Spending time outdoors is a big part of the Australian lifestyle, and flies are annoying, but they also carry disease and they bother livestock, impact on the enjoyment of our time outdoors, whether that's barbecuing, gardening, spending time on the property or in agriculture. And for us at Envirosafe, helping people enjoy that experience more fully is really rewarding. So we started with the Envirosafe fly trap 20 years ago in WA, and that's grown to a core range of products that target flies, European wasps and other insects. It's really our aim to demonstrate that you can have effective fly control without having to use sprays and harsh chemicals. Our Envirosafe fly traps are made in Australia, and then we partner with social enterprise like Endeavour to assemble and package our traps. And that's something that we're really proud of. Working with a business like Endeavour, which provides meaningful and continued employment to people with an intellectual disability.
Our employees would be one of the most hardworking, loyal workforces that you'll ever find. They love coming to Envirosafe because of this amazing partnership that we have forged to come somewhere every day, have a really good experience and be proud to see where that product lands.
Here in Australia, we have high expectations of quality and safety, and demonstrating that we manufacture this product here in Australia gives consumers confidence that they're purchasing a quality product. So when people see the Australian-made logo, we hope that it gives consumers confidence that they're purchasing a product that made to Australian conditions and also supporting a hardworking and very proud workforce. We have deep expertise in this space with research and development and help us produce the most effective products we can. It can be used safely around the home, around pets, around kids, and then can be returned safely to the soil.
It's really important for manufacturing to stay in Australia because it just gives great opportunities for our guys here at Endeavour.
I think there's a real sense of pride of manufacturing here in Australia, and that when we see these products in store, I think there's that real sense of, yes, we made that, we did that, and we're helping people enjoy the outdoors.